Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150, talking about that generation right here. That's year 2009 to year 2014. If you have one of those, you need to find the relay for the trailer, parking lights, tail lights, which relay you need to check. Stay with us, we'll explain that, guys. We'll talk where you can buy cheap relays because they can be hard to find and really expensive, and why it's important to test relays and fuses. That way you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So we'll demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 here, but even if you have a different year, that generation video will be helpful as well. You will have two fuse boxes, guys, but first let me tell you, if you check that relay, it's fine. Check the fuses for tail lights, park lights on F-150. We have the complete video on our channel, Free Car Repair, check it out. You will need to, guys, open the fuse box. That's located in the engine bay under the hood. That's right above the radiator there, above the radiator fan. That's the cover for the fuse box. Once you open it, you're going to see your fuses and relays facing that way. You will be on this side, that will be towards the windshield side. Let's first explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The relay, guys, that you will need to check now. As you can see, those are Ford Motor Company relays. Those could be really hard to find, or they could be really pricey if you're driving through small towns, guys, or if you need them in the middle of nowhere. So we'll recommend get some of those. You have only 2-3 different kinds. Put some spares in your glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The relay for the trailer parking lights, tail lights, will be starting on this side in that row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That relay right here will need to be checked specifically, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.